Science, my old friend, I seek your wisdom once again. Neil deGrasse was loudly speaking. Blue pill zombies think he's teaching, and the bullshit he was pushing at my brain was so insane. I heard the cries of science. In search of truth I walked alone. A path to truth to me was shown. Restless nights in books I read, tossed and turned upon my bed, when my mind was gripped by a moment of clarity. Had eyes to see and discovered truth in science. And in the fading light I saw 7 billion people, maybe more. People talking without thinking. People speaking without listening. People speaking truth that mainstream never shares, and no one dares challenge the priests of science. Wise men say I did not know, but learned the truth and we can show. Hear my words and I'll teach you. Open up your eyes and I'll reach you. But the world is underneath the spell, and I hear the cries of science. And the people submit and bow to the false cloak here and now. We will give you one last warning. There was no proof in its forming, but the system says believe our science prophets that are written in these books, and never